Yes, my people. We are making control, you know. There upon the flat, the such man just come park up, you can't even see where I'm going. Yeah. We turn up on Brooklyn and see where I'm going. Yes, when you feel like say, hey there, bright enough for you, smash it like. Up like a current light post charge here, and there's something there right now. We up, we up, we up. Summer, you know, people. Oh, now wait for it, 21st. That don't make it. You better turn on the AC. That about you can wait for 21st. Summer we are talking about. I summer vlog this. Kick it off. Oh, mommy, go through, mommy, go through, mommy, go through. I ask the officer if I present this, I say. If I know summer now, and hear what the officer go say. When I get summer ticket around here. Alright, blessed, 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 respect. Yeah, man. So, yes. You know the thing said. When people. Yes. Time to get one cold bottle of water done. police them over the cemetery. There's some bad dopey over here. I want to go in Brooklyn. What? Holy Cross Cemetery, yo brother. They come like some vampire over there, so brother, like I want to go on. I want to go on, or some grave digger, them have to protect it. Yo brother, I want to go on. The people them scared to away with them have the whole precinct out there. Yo, drop it in the comment section, people. Be curious. Go on, know. We could start off the summer with that vibe here, man. Can we know somebody just want to drive on and watch Air Virgin? See a Bentley there for look on. I go to one I don't never drive it. It's an all black Bentley. That me I tell you. It's funny still to see the man them have the precinct right at the cemetery, bad man. So I say, yo, you don't want to get lock up off the road and this and them carry you and tell you, say, boy, you have to go and build this and that. If I cemetery, them carry you from. That deed, that. Jaja, as hot as the sun is, brother, it's not hot enough. You know? I see him say, money if you run dog. I know about a next person, but I know about me. I want the money, brother. I put in the work, you feel? So, I don't just want it. I put in the work. Yes. Got me yard get fresh. Touch back to the road, you know. Short pants there. Yeah. Yeah, I was charging. Thought about that. Yo, tell the girls them say shut up, put on a shorts today. Yeah. Yeah, you know. Tell the girl them say forward and come below the shutter. You see me? You see a shutter walk through. Today we not use the cut off foot pants and the clocks. We left that swag there for the weekend, you know. I cut off one of my best jeans them. That's what I love to call it, one of the best this, best that. Well, I cut one of the best jeans them. Yo! I just cut the polo jeans and just say, yo, fuck it. Not too good for cut, bro. The cutting line though. The chopper pants, bro. Yeah, that's all it is. You know it is already. Nissan classic, you know that. Be a gunman drive them pickup truck there, you know. Boy. Look, sitting at Popeyes here, youth. I go over Popeyes and over see if I can get one tree fall wing, you say? Go over Popeyes and tell them, say, yo, fling 3 wing in one box around there, so 2 biscuit and sitting. Hey, How much wing fall off? That's what I know. How much wing one fall off, brother? Last time me check I did 2. But then a chicken I look like them have all 4 wings. Chicken a ball with 6 wings. Look there, there's a chicken trailer that you know. Talk about chicken, enough round here. I forgot to throw some extra with them say the trailer that we just pass out there so with the livestock, you know, so Papa is watch it, you know. All the one KFC up there, so with them chicken and waffles. Go over there and tell Mama, yeah, throw 4 waffles in the box. But all of this a chicken I want to put in the box. Just see. What me have parking. That is it. Look, piece of fall. Yeah, when I talk about the vlogger when him fall. Big up fall. I bust half a pigeon them bed. Bam! I man, we're talking about some Popeyes fall. You understand? Yeah, I could go free some Popeyes fall there now. Yeah. Them fall already deep fry, you understand? Let me tell you if I can get park out here, I now can park in front of the place cause you call it man, the bus stop man. You know the thing done already man. You know the thing done already man. Yeah man.